Alright, what's up guys? This is just going to be a little quick update on stuff that I just got in the mail, basically, on a collective of what I all have in my closet right now for safekeeping. And I do have more stuff to edit and throw together for an actual video. This is just going to be like, I'm just going to upload this like by itself. But let me turn the camera around and I will show you, and what we'll possibly doing in the next few days or once I have a day off, just because I know it's going to take me some time because I'm slow at doing it, but here it is. In the part shop of my closet, we have a new cap, a new rotor, Z32 fuel filter, just because it's bigger, both coolant sensors that are on the manifold, oil pump. These are all the AN fittings, AN hose, gasket kit, timing kit, intake manifold, which is top half, which came out real nice. Shaved it all down, all that stuff. Got the turbo, of course you guys know about that. We have the front cover, which I cleaned up pretty good. Got the bottom half of the intake manifold here, which is cleaned up pretty nice too. I just have to tape it all off because it's all getting spray painted high heat black, which I hope it comes out good. The valve cover though, this bad boy, we're gonna powder coat this thing. Get it off of here. But this thing came out pretty sweet. I did some shaving with the casting marks on this side, so now this side's perfectly flat. There was one of these little bracket things like that. I shaved that off of this side. But this thing looks sweet. It came out pretty clean. Give me a second while I readjust and hang that back up because I don't have any room for that. This is falling on my leg. And then the parts that we're probably going to install within the next few days are these, my new axles, because mine are blown. We got these. I might wait. I do have, let me turn the camera back. I do have inner and outer tie rods also coming in the mail, so I might wait to do the axles till I get those, just so I can do all of that stuff at once, because my tie rods are literally about to fall apart and my axles are also about to fall apart. But yeah, that's everything we got so far. And right now, King main bearings are on the way, ARP flywheel, studs, OEM pilot bushing. What else? A new ignition coil. What else did I just order? Hold on, let me look real quick of my computer right here. We're sitting down at my desk. Alright. Where's Rock? I swear, so you guys know how Rock Auto, I'm just going to do it with the front camera, but you know how Rock Auto has these magnets they send out to everyone with your orders? I swear they should make one of these for my car, because I've been ordering a lot of stuff. But let's see, order status and return. Oh, that's not what I want. My account. Here's the new one. So what I just ordered was the oil pressure sensor, TPS sensor, PCV valve, a new one, the both inner and outer tie rods. I got a full set of brass expansion plugs, so freeze plugs. Those are going to need to be replaced on the block. And then we got a fuel pump gasket, which is the gasket that just goes around the top of the fuel pump, because mine is split in half and it reeks like gas in my car. And then stuff we're still waiting on from what I just showed you is actually the only thing we're waiting on is the ignition coil and the water pump. Those should be here tomorrow, by what this is saying, because if we go to tracking, it says end of day on March 5th. So yeah, that stuff should be here tomorrow. And then this stuff should be here. Which one? The order I just ordered should be here, I want to say, within 4 or 5 days. It says it's all expected to ship today, and I'll receive a majority of the stuff on the 10th, and the PCV valve will come on the 11th. But yeah, that is all the stuff we have. And then also from Anjuku Racing, they should give me a sponsorship, well, not a sponsorship, I don't know, was I signed in? Oh yeah, I was signed in when I ordered it, thank God. Gotta make sure I'm signed in. Wow, that was with my old 240, that stuff. Alright, so the first thing is the, like I said, the king bearings, the OEM pilot bushing, and the ARP flywheel bolt kit. So that's what's coming next, or also in the mail. That should be here probably around the same time as the rest of the stuff. Shinjuku's like an hour and a half from my house. So honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I got all of that stuff tomorrow. But I'm going to post this now. And this is just a little update video of the stuff I got and what we're going to be doing. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.